predicting snow and frigid temperatures approaching our area here in Wave Country. And the last thing that you want to deal with when the temperatures plummet is a busted pipe. Earlier today, we spoke with an expert from Tom Drexler Plumbing, Air and Electric about some tips on how to protect your home. Leaving your cabinets open to allow the heat to get at the pipes will help. They also said leaving your faucets on a little trickle will allow for the movement of water through the pipes. But one of the most important tips is to close off your crawl space openings.
I would say one of the biggest tips that I can give is for people that are on crawl space homes to make sure that those entrances are blocked off. That cold gust of air coming through is really what freezes those pipes.
One of the biggest mistakes is turning the heat down when heading out of town. Leaving the heat on low can help prevent pipes from freezing. And Kevin, we're definitely going to want to keep these tips in mind, especially next week when we get really cold.
Yeah, we've got temperatures in the single digits, and if we get snow on the ground, they could go even colder, so we'll be watching that. The snow part of next week is still uncertain, so we have to get through tomorrow. We'll get this core of the storm passes and then be able to determine what precip is left. Tonight, we see temperatures above freezing, so no big problems. Rain moves in during the morning hours, probably around or just after the morning commute for the heaviest of the rain. We'll be in the 40s by then, climbing into the 50s tomorrow. It is an alert day tomorrow. It's because of the wind gusts, 50 to 60 miles per hour. You're going to see heavy rain at times as well through the morning into the afternoon. The greatest potential or window for those winds would be between about 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. here in Louisville. Those temperatures come crashing down, a few snow showers possible at night. They don't look to be a huge deal. Marginal risk of any severe weather for the day tomorrow. Better chance of strong to severe storms down in Georgia, but we're still talking very windy conditions. Those winds are almost severe limits. All right, we have the wind advisory in place already. It's a high wind watch to the north, wind warnings out to our west. That goes into place tomorrow morning and will be there until 7 a.m. on Saturday morning. How strong will the winds be? Well, 50 to 60 miles an hour, pretty good bet at times. And it's not going to continue at that speed, but we will continue to see those strong wind gusts through the afternoon, bringing them down a bit by the time we reach the mid to late evening hours. Expect some strong winds throughout the afternoon tomorrow for sure. That means if you've got the garbage cans, the trampolines, soccer balls, the Christmas decor, make sure you secure those loose outdoor items. Today would be the day to do that, helping you stay prepared. Let's get outside tonight. Clouds starting to move in. The temperature 47 Louisville, 38 Corydon, E-Town 36, so is Salem. It's a mix of 30s and 40s across the region. The clouds are starting to bump in, especially to our north and out to our west. That cloud cover will continue to increase as the night wears on. Area of low pressure going to lift to the north. They called it a bomb cyclone. That just means with increasing or decreasing pressure as time goes on. In a short amount of time, we wind up seeing a lot of wind coming on the backside of this system. It's also bringing a lot of wintry weather. Blizzard warnings across parts of Iowa, back out across southern Idaho. A lot of snow in that part of the country. A lot of wind from the Ohio Valley down into the deep south. You're going to see those wind gusts in many places. Severe weather is possible in the deep south as well. Overnight tonight, the clouds will increase. The rain knocking on our door by morning pushes through during the morning hours. Waves of rain move through, but there will be gaps. In those gaps, if we see gaps in the cloud cover, meaning if we see any sunshine, that will only ramp up the wind even more. So you really want to stay cloudy through the day tomorrow. As the temperatures cool down, a few light snow showers take us into early Saturday. Can't rule out an isolated slick spot or two, but most areas won't experience a whole lot of problems out of the snow early Saturday. A 47-degree temperature now. Our high was 53 earlier today. We're going to see another day in the 50s tomorrow. After we start at 36, we'll go 54 for tomorrow's high. The alert day is in place. The wind advisory is in place. Everything comes crashing down after that in terms of temperatures. High confidence in our forecast for tomorrow with the wind as well as the rain. A few light snow showers later in the day. A little more uncertainty as we go into the weekend. We see temperatures falling back into the 20s. It's not odd to have uncertainty when you're looking at something 4 or 5 days days out. By Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, there will be some waves of snow that push closer to us. There is a chance for some accumulation, but the best chance for accumulation looks to be at this point to our south. So we'll be updating that. Again, when we look at the confidence in our forecast, it's a little bit lower for the snow, trying to pinpoint if we're going to see snow. If so, how much and where, yet to be determined. We've got to get this system past us first, and then we'll be able to focus on the next one. But it will be cold. We'll take a quick break. We've got more wave news on the other side.
Don't let the weather ruin your style. Be prepared with meteorologist Tawana Andrews' What to Wear forecast. Only on Wave News Sunrise.
This is the pizza the other guys wish they could make.